Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of this new electric bicycle Bandit. Yes, it's my second electric bicycle from Bandit which I'm gonna unbox, and the first one was amazing with a lot of features. If you didn't see the video yet, please check the link in description and let's open up. This bike came in plastic wrapped, so I'm gonna remove this plastic first and then do unboxing. Alright, so let's see what is inside. So looks like a nice white seat comes. Everything looks like protected. Plastic fenders, which feels like plastic, maybe not. The rack is 25 kilo rated. Looks like the wheel over here. So basically it looks everything nice packed. It comes with nice box, and I'm pretty sure I already know what is inside, since it should be similar to the one I just unboxed, but let's see. Actually, maybe not. So front reflector, headlight, manual from for Pacer, and it has all the information you need to know. The charger, let's see how big the charger. The charger is 2 amp charger comes. It comes with pedals, which is with nice grip. Over here you'll find R and L, R for right, left for left, so make sure you attach them correctly. This one is for the wheels reflectors as well. If you need one, you can attach them as well. And they come with the tools. Let's see if it's the same tools or not. Most likely yes. Yes, they come with full set of tools, wrenches, and some of them you will probably not use today, but very useful to have them. So you get everything what you need to assemble the bike. Once you remove some packing from the fork, I like to put the wheel first, but I want to show you the fork comes with a protection over here. So you would need to remove completely this quick release, completely remove this plastic, and then you need to turn this fork 90 degrees, okay? And then install the wheel, and I'll show you how to do it. So you would need to remove this quick release. This wheel comes with protection, so you need to remove this plastic first as well before installing it. You don't need it. From both sides, right over here as well. Okay, so everything looks real good. I like this spokes blackout as well, really nice. I will bring this fork and turn around completely like this, okay? And over here you'll find protection. It's for the hydraulic brakes, the plastic, you need to remove it. Okay, so you move it to the side and you take the wheel and insert it. This is the easiest way I find out, and then you put the stand on and the bike can stand by itself. Next step, once you insert the wheel, you need to take the screw, okay, and with this piece, like with this clamp, insert from the side where the brakes, right here. So you put the spring in and this nut and tighten. Once it's filled tense, you just close this nut all the way here, so it should be like this. Next step, I'm gonna remove this bracket for handlebar to attach. Okay, these 4 bolts, I'm gonna remove it. Place it right over here. Reattach this bracket with 4 bolts you removed. You can attach them with your hands first, and then tighten up with a torque wrench if you have, or with this hex key. I recommend not to tighten this bolt. Make sure this piece in the middle. You can move up and down, but it have to be in the middle, so this way your handlebar will be aligned. I recommend to tighten up once you sit on the bicycle, feel comfortable, and then adjust the position of the handlebar and tighten up all these 4 bolts. Usually they're about 7 millimeters torque. It's adjustable stem, so you can adjust it pretty simple. Over here is this bolt, you loosen up and then you can adjust it. You don't need to loosen up, I think, this bolt, only this one on the bottom, and it should move up and down, and then you would adjust everything. The next step, you will attach the mudguard or fenders, whatever you call it. You would need to remove this bolt. I think you need you need hex key to remove it. Also, at the same time, you will attach this light. So you would remove this bolt first. Then you would remove this bolt as well from both sides to attach the fender. So first you will take this fenders, insert right over here. You take this bolt, then you take this headlight. Headlight will go right behind this fork attachment, so you attach it right here with this one bolt. And then you do it by hand as much as you can, and then you use the hex here to tighten up. I'm gonna bring this fender all the way up so mud or whatever will not get stuck between wheel and the fender. Then you take this bolt and reattach this fender. And then you will tighten up with a hex key, and you do this on the both sides, and then you realign the fender to make sure it does not touch the wheel. Next, you need to reattach, actually attach this 2 wire. You will see red on both sides. You will align it with there will be some arrow on both sides. You just align them and push it from both sides, and it's done. So the headlights are already connected. And the next step, to attach the pedals, which is very important as well, to attach right to the right, left to the left. Bandit company already put letter R, so you can see it, it's right here, okay? If you don't know where is right, it's right here. And then you look on the pedals right over here, and you would attach it, okay? Once you tighten with your hand, now you can use the wrench it came with, and just a little bit. You don't have to do hard because it will tighten by itself. And you do exactly the same on another side as well. Attach the left side. And the final thing is to remove the last protection and from the seat. And this is a Bandit Pacer high step. There also comes step through and different colors. So far the bike looks amazing. Everything was smooth and easy to install. Look on this rack. It's kind of different than any rack I saw, with some grip on the side. Probably you can hold it while somebody riding, so it's great. The seat actually pretty wide, as you can see. Handlebar, I'm gonna measure the size, I will tell you more. It also comes with NFC card with a key, which is flexible as well. Nice big display. Half throttle, 7 Shimano gear shifter, and it has not hydraulic 180mm disc brakes. So far the tires looks amazing. From my experience, the bike looks great, and when you get a high quality bike, it's very easy to assemble because everything going smoothly. There's no question asked, no complaints, no scratches, nothing. So I'm gonna put some pressure in the tire, charge the battery, and we'll go for a ride.